On the YouTube channel Zack Rock, Zack bought a small house for just $1,000 that needed a lot of work. I created a floor plan for his project, taking inspiration from his own drawings, and put together a workable design. I never heard back from him, but I wanted to share the idea with others who enjoy creative small house projects. Disclaimer: I'm not an architect, draftsman, or professional designer. The floor plan shown in this video is created specifically for the channel Zack Rock and is for illustrative and informational purposes only. Here are some pictures of the $1,000 house in its early stages. The house needed a lot of work, so Zack stripped the interior down to the wood studs. With everything cleared out, it's also much easier to redesign the layout. Since the house is pier and beam construction, moving and replacing the plumbing is also much simpler, and will likely all need to be redone anyway. He sketched the original layout along with a dream version and an easy version, but each one left the rooms too small to live in or arrange furniture comfortably. I designed a completely new floor plan that maximizes room size and functionality by making creative, efficient choices. Shown next are the rooms on the floor plan. The entry, coat closet, living, kitchen and dining, pantry, bedroom, closet, bathroom, office and laundry. Here's a walkthrough video of the inside. The entry with a coat closet, kitchen and dining, living, bedroom, closet, office, laundry, pantry, and bathroom. Here are pictures showing the interior and exterior of the house. Thanks for watching. I will be posting more floor plan videos in the future, so if you're interested, please subscribe.